This talk will cover the hazards, controlling noise, and ear protection. Noise-induced hearing loss is the most common occupational health hazard. There is no satisfactory treatment for noise-induced hearing loss. When you're deaf, you stay deaf. Hazards: compressors, breakers, circular saws, generators, vibrating rollers and excavators, angle grinders, power saws, and many other common pieces of equipment used in construction can generate potentially harmful levels of noise. Even if you are not using the noisy piece of equipment, you could be affected by someone using it close by. Remember, you could be exposed in an area you are working, like a plant room. Be aware of your surroundings and levels of noise. Exposure to very high noise levels will cause hearing damage in a shorter time than lower noise levels. Remember to protect your hearing after work as well. For example, in noisy clubs or when using personal music players. A ringing in the ears or muffled hearing immediately after exposure are clear signs of excessively high noise levels. Controlling noise. Keep as far away from noise sources as possible. Don't stand next to someone using a breaker unless you have to. Use quieter equipment and work methods whenever you can. For example, noise-reducing saw blades will significantly reduce the noise from circular saws when block cutting. Don't leave machinery running unnecessarily, and try not to expose others to your noise. If possible, move the noise source away from the work area or move the work area away from the noise. If possible, shield noisy processes. Work behind a wall or some other sound-absorbing material. Wear hearing protection when instructed to do so or noise levels are suspected to be high. If you have to raise your voice to communicate, it is a good sign you are at risk. Stop and apply hearing protection. If required, ask for a noise level check. Ear protection. Ensure earplugs are a good fit and correctly inserted as per the instructions. If you are using disposable earplugs, make sure you insert them correctly. Insert them by rolling them to narrow the diameter and inserting them into your ear as far as you can whilst pulling the top of your ear upwards to open the ear canal. Always clean your hands before touching all types of disposable earplugs. Discard them at the end of the shift. Earmuffs and reusable earplugs should be cleaned regularly. If earmuffs are used with the headband around the neck, the fabric head strap must be used. Inspect your earmuffs regularly. When the seals become worn, get them replaced. Earplugs and earmuffs need to be selected carefully. If too effective, you may not be aware of things going on around you, such as plant movements, and that can be dangerous. If you have problems wearing earplugs or earmuffs, such as significant discomfort, report this to your supervisor or manager. Never wear earphones under earmuffs. You should not wear earphones when working on site anyway.